Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 19th June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe this channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. Who has been selected for the Sahitya Akademi's Yuva Award in Hindi for 2024?
Answer is Gaurav Pandey. On 15th June 2024, the Executive Board of the Sahitya Akademi has declared a list of 24 recipients of its Bal Sahitya Puraskar and 23 winners of its Yuva Puraskar for the year 2024. The winners will receive a plaque and 50,000 rupees each. Amongst 23 writers, including English writer K. Vaishali and Hindi author Gaurav Pandey, who will receive the prestigious Yuva Puraskar across as many languages.
Question number 2. Which country's scientists have developed world's smallest brain sensor?
Answer is China. Chinese scientists have created the world's smallest brain sensor. The size of this sensor is smaller than a mustard seed. This sensor can change the way patients suffering from brain injuries or cancer are monitored. The wireless hydrogel-based sensor, developed by Chinese scientists, is biodegradable and can be injected into the brain to measure temperature, pH, intracranial pressure and blood flow with the help of an external ultrasound probe.
Question number 3. Who became India's second highest run scorer in international women's cricket?
Answer is Smriti Mandhana. India opener Smriti Mandhana etched her name into the history book by becoming the second highest run scorer for the nation. With her fighting 100 against South Africa, she went past the 7,000 run mark and joined former India star Mithali Raj in the elite list. Her tally at the global stage is only bettered by former captain Mithali's 10,868 runs. While India captain Harmanpreet Kaur has 6,870 runs in the international all formats.
Question number 4. Which has scored the fastest century in international T20 cricket?
Answer is Sahil Chauhan. Estonia batter Sahil Chauhan hit the fastest ever T20 century from just 27 balls against Cyprus in Episkopi on 17th June 2024. Chauhan, 32, broke the record set by West Indies batter Chris Gayle, who reached three figures from 30 balls during the Indian Premier League in 2013. The previous record for fastest international T20 century, 33 balls, was set by Namibia's Jan Nicol Lofty-Eaton against Nepal in February 2024.
Question number 5. How many Indian schools was selected for the World's Best School Prizes 2024 in the UK?
Answer is 5 schools. 5 Indian schools have been shortlisted in various categories for the prestigious World's Best School Prizes, an annual event organized in the UK to celebrate schools making significant contributions to society. The shortlisted schools include 2 from Madhya Pradesh and 1 each from Delhi, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. This recognition is part of a $50,000 prize fund shared among the winners.
Question number 6. Which Indian farmer has been honored as Land Hero by United Nations Agency?
Answer is Siddhesh Sakor. Siddhesh Sakor, a farmer and the founder of Agro Rangers from Maharashtra, has been recognized as a land hero by the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, UNCCD, on World Desertification and Drought Day. The announcement was made during a program in Bonn, Germany, honoring 10 land heroes from around the globe.
Question number 7. Murlidhar Chandrakant Bhandare passed away. He was the former governor of.
Answer is Odisha. Former governor of Odisha, Murlidhar Chandrakant Bhandare, passed away at the age of 95 in New Delhi. He was elected to the Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, MP, for 3 terms in 1980 and re-elected in 1982 and 1988. He served as the governor of Odisha from 2007 to 2013. In 2024, he published his memoir, The Arc of Memory, My Life and Times.
Question number 8. Who has debuted her children's book titled Ed Finds a Home?
Answer is Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt, Bollywood actress, has launched her debut children's picture book series titled Adventures of Edamame, Ed Finds a Home, sharing her passion for storytelling. The book features illustrations by Tanvi Bhatt. Ed Finds a Home is the first in the series inspired by her kids' wear brand, Edamame. It is described as a picture book about caring for the planet and friendship with pets, published by Puffin Books India.
Question number 9. Peter Pellegrini was sworn in as the president of.
Answer is Slovakia. Peter Pellegrini was sworn in as the 6th president of Slovakia on 15 June 2024. He succeeded Zuzana Kaputova, the country's first female head of state and a staunch backer of neighboring Ukraine in its fight against Russia's invasion. He previously served as Prime Minister of Slovakia from 2018 to 2020.
Question number 10. Who has won the Risk Manager of the Year Award 2024 by Central Banking, UK?
Answer is RBI. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has won the Risk Manager of the Year Award 2024 by Central Banking, a leading publication based in London, UK. Executive Director Manoranjan Mishra received the award on behalf of the RBI. This accolade recognizes RBI's exemplary strides in enhancing its risk culture and awareness, affirming its pivotal role in safeguarding the stability of the Indian financial system.
Question number 11. Which country has become India's 4th largest export market after China?
Answer is UK. The United Kingdom, UK, has overtaken China to become India's 4th largest export market in May 2024. The US continued to remain India's largest export destination, with 13% growth, followed by the United Arab Emirates, UAE, which saw a 19% jump. Export to the Netherlands, which is also India's 3rd largest market, soared to $2.19 billion with nearly 44% growth in May.
Question number 12. Multinational Air War Exercise, Red Flag 2024, was conducted in which country?
Answer is USA. An Indian Air Force IAF contingent participated in the exercise Red Flag 2024, conducted at Eielson Air Force Base, Alaska of the United States Air Force, from 4th June to 14th June, 2024. This was the 2nd edition of Exercise Red Flag 2024, which is an advanced aerial combat training exercise held 4 times in a year by the U.S. Air Force. This was the first time the IAF Rafale aircraft participated in Exercise Red Flag. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.